Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Thursday, July 8th. The time is almost past midnight GMT. And here today we're going to be looking at the US dollar Canadian dollar 60 minutes chart. We are looking for this pullback now to stay above 123 for further upside. We can see that the rally here ended with 1 in the intermediate degree and ended with 2 here, and then since then it has started a new rally within with 3 here, and we can see in the subdivision we're calling it 1 to 1 2. Another option will be ending 1 somewhere here and then do a pullback again in the wave 2 before more upside as long as it stays above 123. So 123 here is sort of the first degree bullish pivot, right? Bullish level. And looking at the zooming out in the larger degree over here, this is the daily chart. You can see this cycle looks completed here. You see the trend line breaks here, right? And so we are now in the US dollar CAD correcting the cycle from March 2020 already, and we can see if we look at the structure here. Over here we got this pullback here, looks to be a connector here, right? And since then we managed to break above the previous peak. So in other words, we are now in the third leg. So this is the first leg, this is the second leg, and looking at the 1 hour chart, so that's your 1 and 2 here. So that means it's a 1 and 2 within the third leg. So in the third leg here, in the C should be in 5 waves, and right now we are in the process of forming that 5 waves up to the upside, and target to the upside potentially can go to 100%, right? So target on the upside potentially can go to this area. So we can go here 127.46, 130.50 as the next potential target here for US dollar CAD in the shorter cycle. Then from here we got a chance to either go to new low again if this is still bearish, or it's just gonna pull back and then rally again to do a 7 swing before going down if it is still bearish, right? So overall we are still looking for the upside until we reach this area, and for now basically against 123, as long as we stay above here, we could see further upside. Alright, so if you do want to check our charts in Forex, commodities, or indices stocks, do feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial. The link is provided in the description of the video. So see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.